Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we will discuss about what is machine learning. To start with, we will just delve into some historical details. Historically, computers used to be like mechanical devices, and they used to operate with these punch cards or with these mechanical buttons, and they used to have these all kinds of sensors and all kinds of mechanical devices incorporated in them. And this photo here, which is from the ADVAC computers, is one of the examples of those kinds of devices. And after that, uh, during 90s and during that era, the whole notion of algorithms came into picture. And essentially the idea was that let's not use these mechanical devices, rather use like a very set of instructions. Let's write programs which can be run on these computers, and we can write systematic programs which can solve business problems. But soon everybody realized that no, these algorithms or these rule-based systems cannot solve all kinds of problems, because a lot of business decisions have to be probabilistic. They are not deterministic in nature. So for example, if you are an enterprise who are trying to detect spam emails for your email application system, now you can start with writing some simple rules. Let's say you can write that if the money or lottery is present in your incoming email. But as you can see, these kinds of simple rules will soon become obsolete for your system, because attackers will figure out like how to evade these rules, or they will come up with advanced ways of writing emails so that your systems is not able to detect such incoming emails. Now, to solve these problems, uh, the whole notion of machine learning came in. So the idea is, let's the machine figure out like what is a spam email and what is a ham email. Now you may ask a question that how will the machine figure out that? How what will the machine do uh, from the previous way machine was doing it in terms of to detect these spam and non-spam emails? So the first comes the things that where will the data come from? Let's say if we are trying to teach the machine that if this email is a spam email or if this email is a normal email, how will the machine learn? How where the data will come from? Now you can think of that in your email application. You can let the users mark certain emails as a spam or normal emails. You can also hire a bunch of auditors to do the same thing, where they mark a huge amount of training data for your system to learn what is an email, is a spam email or it's a normal email. And then you can use these labeled examples to learn a system, to learn a model which can then detect incoming email as spam or non-spam. So isn't it amazing? Now you can just have a cup of coffee and let the machine figure out how to detect these emails and non-spam emails for you. But the question is how? Okay, because you may think, okay, uh, machine can understand numbers, machine can understand numbers and decimal numbers, floating point numbers, but how will the machine figure out what this email text is, and how machine will read this text first of all? So the whole notion of features comes into there. So essentially the idea is that because you cannot input the email text as it is to your computer, what we will do is we will represent this text as a bunch of features. So for example, we have multiple features. Let's say if money or keyword lottery is present in the input text, what is the number of capital letters in your incoming email, what is the total number of spelling mistakes. So for example, if somebody is spamming you, they may also be spamming thousands of other folks as well. And in because you're sending these messages to thousands of other folks simultaneously, they may not care too much about minor spelling mistakes. And so this could be a very important features to look for when you're trying to detect if an incoming email is a spam or non-spam. You can also look for, let's say, things like if the email address is looking suspicious. So things like if the email address is normal, you may have a normal keyword, you may have some normal name of the person. But if this is a suspicious email, it could be a bunch of random characters. So essentially the idea is that, say, once you have this email represented with your bunch of features which we have defined above, we can train a system, we can train a classifier which will read these features and learn to detect these mails as spam or non-spam. So in this video we'll have a very high overview of what is machine learning. In this series of tutorials we will cover more deeply about what is a classifier, what is a feature, and different inputs to a machine learning pipeline, and we'll also cover like how to even you start machine learning on your problems. So thanks a lot for watching this video. For more upcoming videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment on my channel for more updates. Thank you.